Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to group objects. So as example, I will insert object here and I will move to this point. And the second we create again like sphere. Now if you want to group these two objects, you can select the two objects, go to edit menu and then click group, or you can use Control plus G. You can click. It will be create group in this display outline. So you also can select the single objects to move, or you can click in a group option to select all group objects. If you want to ungroup, you can click here, group, and then go to edit menu and then choose the ungroup. Okay, that's it for basic Autodesk Maya tutorial, how to group objects.